Good morning. This is El Tigre reporting to you in Los Angeles. On this misty morning, we have a low temperature of 48 degrees and a high temperature of 59 degrees. We'll have the possibility of 100% chance of rain from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and again from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. This is due to a heavy rainstorm that's coming in through San Diego all the way northeast into the mainland. Projected, this rainstorm will continue until tomorrow, but afterwards the entire week will be sunny on the weekend. Today I would like to share with you a poem about the rain. The day is dim with rain. Angry lightnings glance through the tattered cloud veils, and the forest is like a caged lion shaking its mane in despair. On such a day, amidst the winds beating their wings, let me find my peace in thy presence. For the soaring sky has shadowed my solitude, to deepen the meaning of thy touching about my heart. I hope all of you guys have a tranquil and content day, and I will see you again tomorrow morning.